Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us today on your Wednesday Valley News Live at noon. We're still watching some showers and thunderstorms that have kind of been circulating across northeastern North Dakota for the last several hours. They're currently working their way up north into Canada, but Cavalier likely about to see some thunder and lightning along with some brief heavy rain. But the majority of the valley is quiet, even seeing some sunshine down across southeastern North Dakota. But a lot of rain has fallen over the last 24 to 48 hours, especially through the southern half of North Dakota down into northwestern South Dakota. And this morning's rain, about an inch or so up towards the international border to the Devil's Lake Basin, where you see those darker shades. There have been some reports near Stutsman County of 5 or more inches of rain. Right now in Fargo, sunny skies, 89 degrees, feels like 92, and we are continuing to warm for several more hours. Humidity value at 48%, so a little less humid than it was just a few hours ago when our humidity values were in the 70% range. Sunset tonight will be at 9:21. Bright blue skies in Grand Forks at this hour, 83 degrees, feels like 84. Take a look at that wind though, out of the south-southwest, sustained at 22 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 30. Sunset tonight in Grand Forks at 9:26, and humidity value at 53%. Let's take a look at our muggy meter over the last few days. For this afternoon, things are feeling steamy, but tomorrow, oofta, nope, no thank you. Those humidity values are going to be very sticky, very high humidity before, not so bad. Or excuse me, the afternoon hours of Saturday and Sunday, starting to feel a little sticky again as we head into the weekend. But again, humidity values right now are highest up along the international border, especially out towards Detroit Lakes, or Devil's Lake rather, up towards Langdon, where we had just recently seen some of that rainfall, and starting to be a little drier across the southern valley. Humidity values in the 30 and 40% range. But take a look at these temperatures. We're at 89 in Fargo, 93 in Sisseton, 90 in Fergus Falls, 91 in Wadena and Alexandria, 88 in Oaks, 81 in Jamestown, 89 in Thief River Falls, 70, much cooler in Devil's Lake, 82 in Hallock. Another wonderful afternoon to hit the pools. I think Moorhead Pools opened today. 96 degrees for this afternoon in Fargo. Hot and humid. Don't forget the sunscreen UV index is going to be up around 8. But taking a look at your hometown forecast for later this afternoon, 80s remain across the north where those clouds are lingering a bit longer. And we're going to be well into the 90s across the southern Red River Valley. And yes, we do have a chance for some thunderstorms later on today. A warm front had been lifting across the region this morning. That's why we had seen some of those rain showers pushing up to the north. But later on this afternoon and evening, a cold front is going to be sweeping through, bringing the chance for some scattered thunderstorms, maybe an isolated stronger or severe storm across northern Minnesota. But then we start to clear things up, at least across the southern valley, by tomorrow morning. The Storm Prediction Center has the northern half of Minnesota and the northern portion of the Red River Valley highlighted in a level 1 risk of severe out of 5. So we could see an isolated stronger or severe storm with those winds gusting between 40 and 60 miles per hour and hail up to a quarter in diameter. Heading into tomorrow, though, we have a better risk of severe weather out in western North Dakota, and by Friday, as some of those storms move, we could see just some general thunderstorms. Not expecting severe, but they'll be early in the morning. And then behind that strong cold front, temperatures dropping into the 80s. Cooler for the weekend. I mean, still 80s, still above average, but high pressure brings more sunshine.
Sounds like we need to try to find ways to stay cool. And I heard you say oofta. I don't know what that actually means, but
oofta, like whoo.
Well, now I know. It's gonna be hot.
Midwestern word.
Thanks, Summer. Well, working Americans pay taxes with every paycheck, but not the ultra rich. Straight ahead at noon, why you may owe more than a billionaire.